Welcome back to another banger video. Today we're diving into a powerful module that often goes unnoticed, Python's warning module. In this video we'll explore how the warnings module can help us catch potential issues and improve the quality of our code. So let's get started. Before we jump into this code, let's quickly understand what the warnings module is all about. The warnings module is Python provides a flexible way to handle warnings that occur during runtime. It also allows us to control how warnings are displayed and also provides functionalities for filtering, categorizing, and at times suppressing warnings. So here's a simple example I'll quickly type out to showcase the basics of the warnings module. In this code, we have a function called divide that performs division, but if the divisor b is 0, we want to issue a warning instead of raising an exception. This is where the warnings module comes into play. By importing the warnings module, we gain access to a variety of functions and options. In this case, we use the warn function to issue a warning with a custom message and the warning class as the warning type. Let's run this code and see what happens. When we execute the code, Python detects the warning and displays it along with the line number where it occurred. Pretty cool, right? But what if we wanted to change the way warnings are handled? Well, the warnings module provides a range of options for that as well. Here's an example of how we can modify the warning behavior by using the warnings module of functions as shown below. In this updated code, we have modified the warning behavior by using the filter warnings function. By passing error as an argument, we're instructing Python to raise an exception for all the warnings. Let's run this and see what happens. As you can see, the running code now raises a user warning exception instead of simply displaying the warning message. This level of control allows us to tailor the warning behavior to suit our needs. That's just a glimpse of what the warnings module can do. It offers even more features and options, such as filtering warnings based on specific criteria, customizing warning display formats, and more. Here's an advanced example that shows some additional functionality of the warning module, which I'll type out now. In this code, we have a deprecated function that we want to discourage using. By using a deprecation warning with the stack level argument set to 2, the warning will indicate the caller's location rather than the deprecated function's location. Running this code results in the warning being displayed with the correct caller location information, making it easier for developers to identify and update their code. Shown here. The warnings module offers immense flexibility and control over how warnings are managed in our Python projects. That's it for today. If you want to see more content like this, please comment, leave a like below, and subscribe. Peace.